we have more clothes. This time it's grade D. I actually made a video on this already, but I accidentally deleted the video. So here it is again. I've already accidentally kind of played with some of the items. And you're going to see them as well. I'm by no means like a designer or anything. I cannot do anything. I can't sew, I can't dye, I can't do anything. So I've just been playing with them so far. And I just want to show you what I got. So this bag cost £12. 12 whole pounds for, it was either 10 or 20 kilos. Feels like somewhere in between there. And for £12 you get like 30 items of clothes. And some of them are good, some of them are questionable. So I'm just going to get into it, I guess. I'm going to move this out of the way because it's quite big. So first item, there's a few scary items in here, I'm going to say. Little Scottish skirt and shorts. They're the same one, and it's in good condition, to be fair. So grade D is like the level before landfill. So it goes grade A, which is good. There's nothing wrong with it. You sell it straight away. Grade B, it needs a bit of TLC. You need to wash it, maybe stitch something up a little bit, but it's sellable. Grade C, it's gonna need some work. It's gonna have holes, rips, tears, zips are gonna be missing. And then you've got grade D, which is this. Next up, we have, I don't even know what this is. I could just use the material for this. I have no idea. It is just a bit of purple and blue material, literally. Next, this is something I've already kind of like tried to rework, but it did not work. So it had a big hole at the back that I've stitched, and I've also bleached it a little bit. But I don't really like it. I thought it would have gone more like this, but it definitely hasn't. So it's just a black sweatshirt that's now bleached, but it was in good condition. I actually really like this coat. I got this coat. This is classed as grade D, and all it needs really is some stitching here. Get the sewing machine, go on that line, give it a wash, and it's pretty cool. It almost looks like Marlboro, I guess. But no, it's a nice little jacket, to be fair. Next, oh man, these remind me of cowboys so much. They are literally cowboy jeans. They're really tight at the top, and then flared at the bottom, but I think they're men's, so they're basically men's flares, but like really baggy men's flares. So if there's any cowboys out there who want some ripped old jeans, hit me up. An old man sweater. Some people like them, some people don't. I don't, but you know, someone might like that. And that's actually in decent-ish condition. Right, we're getting to the big boys now, even though I've messed with these and probably ruined them. We got some Ralph Lauren white trousers in decent condition, but they were like really madly stained. So what I've gone and done is, I don't know if you can actually see, I've dyed them lime green, like patchy lime green, to get rid of the stains. And they're in, it's a really nice material, and it's gone okay. Like, it might look a bit sicky, but like, I'm pleased with that. Those trousers, if they were in good condition, would probably like pay for the bag itself. A very good condition Ralph Lauren thick Oxford shirt, 100% cotton, thick, proper Ralph Lauren check shirt, and there's nothing wrong with it. So you know, that could pay for the bag itself again. Absolutely nothing wrong with that at all. Next, really cool jacket. It's unbranded, but it's quite cool. Little shell trap top jacket that says sport here, and it's got your greens, your blues, your reds, and it is literally It's literally in mint condition. I don't know why that's in a grade D bag. Maybe I got quite lucky. Red turtleneck. It's okay. Next, something else that I have messed up probably actually. So a white hoodie, but again it was stained, not branded, KMD. It almost looks like it's from Finland, and I've dyed it a very, 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 very light blue, just to kind of hide the stains a little bit. And I might do it again, might dye it another bit blue, because it kind of matches the label and stuff. Oh. It's haunted. It is literally haunted. Look at this. Imagine, like, this is haunted. I am literally hugging a ghost right now. It's a long dress from the 70s, 80s. It gives me chills, that. Little Germany jacket, but the logo's faded, the flag's faded even. Yeah. Shirt. Nice material actually, like the material, if I knew how to sew properly, which I'm trying to learn, like I'm trying to make bucket hats and stuff like that, then that'd be cool material just to put up. This one is super cool. Like, it's just a pink cord shirt, like thick pink, purple lilac cord shirt. LL Bean as well. I think that's actually quite an alright brand, but I'd say it's unbranded. And there's not much wrong with it. There's nothing wrong with it really, to be honest. Next, we got a Nike like gym sweatshirt. If this is just a white sweatshirt, like that's like double my money already, but it's one of those like tight fitting running tracksuit jacket things. And this had a really big stain on the front, but I got it out within one wash. So why? The next, the haunted dress number 2. Ursula. It's literally called Ursula. Gives me chills. We've got a matching hat to go with it. So if anyone wants a funeral in the 70s, get tartan maid's dress thing. I don't even know what these are. Like some of these things I'm just like, why? But so far, like, grade D, man. I've made my money back easily, and I've got some things to play with. Like, I'm really getting into like the upcycle revolution by tie-dyeing, bleaching, cropping, sewing, and just saving clothes. Like saving this thing from landfill, because below grade D, it's landfill. Wait, I've definitely got something else upstairs. Yeah, I have. I've got something drying. This is not. What is this? Oh, I've undone these. I wish I could show you properly, because they're basically Adidas joggers, but they unbutton. And originally I thought that they turned into like a jacket, but it doesn't. They're just joggers. But yeah, it's not the end, because I'm gonna run upstairs and get the other thing. There's one more thing, but for grade D, not bad. So this is drying in the wash, but I think I've ruined it. This was like one of the coolest things in there. But I tried to dye it, but it's the kind of material that you don't touch when you try and dye it. It's like, it's got a crown on, 2P by JC Design. It's really cool. It's like, and I've tried to dye it the same colours as the jacket, so red and blue, but it failed. That is it from the grade D, and £12 on eBay. I've got a shitload of material to play with whatever I want to learn how to do. So I've just got a sewing machine, I've got some tie-dye, some bleach, all that kind of stuff. So I'm just going to play around with things and might make a video on it. Man, I'm out of breath. I'm unfit. I just ran up and down the stairs and I'm out of breath. But yeah, that is it. £12 for it all. Bargain. But yeah, if you want any of this, or if you have any clues of what to do to rework them that doesn't take much skill, like I have a pair of scissors, I have a sewing machine that kind of know how to use, and I have threads and tie-dyes and just basic household things. I have no idea what to do with any of them. So if you do, please tell me. But that is it. So I'll see you soon. I'm gonna buy some more stuff soon because I'm running out of stuff to sell and I'm getting paid soon. So yeah.